Okay, so I just got home with my PS5 and I'm excited to open it. It was not easy to get, and it comes with a game that I was gonna get anyway. God of War Ragnarok. I already played the other one, so I'm excited to play this one. Alright, let's open her up. Alright, let's see. Got a little security seal. Take that out. Okay. It's been a long time since I've got a PlayStation. Alright, I think it opens this way. Alright, has a lot of flaps. Okay. Alright. And it looks like at the top here there's an inner box. I think of all the stuff. Let's pop this open. Background. Okay, let's see what's in here. I bet it's alright, yeah. We got the manuals, which nobody ever reads. Power cord. Okay. I think here's the controller. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Ah, it looks really nice. I wish it came with two, but later I'm gonna have to get another one. It seems like there's another box in here, or maybe just a placeholder. What is this? Okay, we got the HDMI cable, and I don't know what this is. What is this? It's all wrapped so nicely. Electronics. Okay, this is a stand. Not sure exactly how it goes just yet, but looks like a stand. Okay, I'm already making a mess. And on the other side, what's this? Okay, USB cable. Alright. I'm gonna put this to the side here. I'm gonna put the manual back. And I'm gonna put the papers in here. Alright. Now it's time to pull out the main thing. If I don't break it. It's pretty snug in here. Okay. The box is really soft, so I have to be careful. It's like paper, like a poster. Alright, so I have to be careful with it. Okay, here's the PS5. I can't believe it's the 5 already. There's some type of card in here. Let's see what it says. Ragnarok. It's the game card. Okay. Oh, there's a scratch off here so I can access the game. So I'm gonna do that here in a little bit. To scratch it off. Alright, some egg crate looking things. Okay, here it comes. Super excited. Let's go. Oh, I've been trying to get one for 2 years. Scalpers on the internet. Didn't give me a chance. But I finally got one. Look at it. Let's see. Oh, has a shiny logo. I don't know where the ports are. There's the ports, HDMI, power cord, USB. And on the front, USB, eject button, and the thing. I decided to get the one that uses the disc because I buy the discs. That way I can trade them or give them away. The digital stuff, I'm not a big fan. Alright, I mean digital only. And let me see how this thing goes. I have no idea what this sucker is. What is this? Well, I have no idea what this thing is, how it works. I must be dumb or something. I See a duh. Okay, whatever this is, I'm not sure how this thing goes. It's like the shells in Demolition Man. Oh, it spins. This, I don't know what it is. But anyway, let's hook this bad boy up. I'll figure that out later. Alright, just get the power cord out. Okay. Got the power plugged in. HDMI plugged in. Okay. You hold down the power button. It's on. Let's see. So what happens when you turn it on? Turn this light. Okay. Okay, very cool. The controller glows in the dark too. Okay, what do I do next? It's saying hit the PlayStation button. English? Dang it. I can't show you guys my password. Let me pause here. Okay, I've connected. Let's see what else happens. Adjust HDR. Okay, this is cool. Okay, till it's barely visible. That, alright. I don't have a disc. It didn't come with a disc. Okay, I agree. Like you have a choice. Okay, it's now updating. Alright, here it comes. Installing. That's pretty fast. This stuff used to take a lot longer on the PS4. Not too bad, I'm not mad. Okay, here it comes. Don't know what that was about. Okay, and it's 100%. Alright, it's restarting. Little circle thing is going nuts. Here it comes. Here it comes. Press the PS button on the controller. Got it. Alright, I'm gonna do this later. It looks like it's gonna take a little more time before I can actually play anything. I think I'm gonna have to download the God of War game, sign up for PlayStation, and do all that stuff. Let's see if there's anything in the storage. Nope, it doesn't come pre-installed. Looks like I'm gonna be downloading, I have how much size? I have 600 gigs, 649 gigabytes. Okay. I can put it in the USB later. Okay, that's gonna help. 600 gigabytes is not enough. Alright, well, that's all I got for now.